going to do another random one video. I'm not going to make 10 videos. What did I get in today? I picked up a bunch of things today. I don't know, show you. I picked up another box of green gloves from Harbor Freight. Which, why do I need green gloves? Well, I always buy an extra box. I picked up, this is not a Harbor Freight thing, but I bought another can of Sunrise Red Rust-Oleum, but I noticed comes a little special cap in there, 5. So I picked that up at AutoZone, I think it was. I also picked up VHT caliper paint. It's in gray. I think it's gray. Cast aluminum. So we'll see how that works. And this I'll do a video on separate. Just to see. I picked up a, what is this? SPI reverse cable for the bike that's missing its reverse cable. And 2 little genuine Honda gas tank pluggy things. And that's pretty much it for that. I think that's it. Oh, and this I bought from my camp. This is cool, actually. A 1-minute video there. If I get it out of the bag, it's cool. Let's see. Oh, come on, where is it? Jesus. What the hell would it do? It's in the bag here somewhere. There we go. I bought this because I'm always cooking stuff at camp. It's folding chef's knife. Okay. I have the square version too, but oh my god, is this thing sharp? My nose is all of a sudden. It's like super sharp. It was like amazing. It was like $20. You know what? But I always have there's a drawer outside and all my kids dig in it, and the kids don't have to worry about getting stabbed because after I'm done I can close this up and put it in my drawer and leave it there. I don't have to go in and out of the trailer to get stuff. So one of those things. Anyway, my bench is a complete other cluster of frick. So that's pretty much it for that crap. And I got stuff everywhere here. Just pretty much, stuff is everywhere. I had to buy more Sunrise Red paint because I somehow lost 2 cans of it in here. Pretty sure in a few weeks I'm going to find them when I don't need them. So, with that said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, click the buttons. I don't know why my eyes are freaking out tonight because I'm not tired, but I think it's probably this 8 million lumen light that's, I don't know what's bothering me. Maybe somebody was in here twerking it while it's gone. So, thanks for watching. Toodles, and take care.